Hi, I'm Ron Steinfeld. I'm an associate professor at the Faculty of Information Technology of Monash. Now, data is all around us. For example, our social media posts or search history and online purchases, and even music and entertainment preferences. All these things leave a stream of data that forms our digital footprint. And so cybersecurity specialists work everywhere. Greater connectivity has changed the way we live and do business, but it has also brought with it increased security risk from hackers and cyber criminals that exploit some weaknesses in our systems by using a plethora of attack techniques, from viruses and malware to social engineering and web server hacking. You will gain in-demand technical expertise in networks and communication, as well as a deep understanding of how software is controlled across cyberspace. And you will also learn how to develop safe software and computer systems and implement appropriate security measures to protect information and keep organizations resilient and operational. And in the process of doing this, you will also learn about common security weaknesses in cyber systems and how to think like a hacker that exploits such weaknesses. So you'll study algorithms and programming, as well as computer systems and networks and software security. And you will learn how to evaluate the security needs of an organization based on its infrastructure and create plans to protect it against potential attacks and security breaches. You will start your course with foundation units. These cover topics like programming, introduction to computer systems and networks, as well as professional practice. And then you will continue to study some core units in your chosen major. In this example of the computer networks and security major, cover an introduction to cybersecurity and also more specialized studies on topics that include software and network security, operating systems, and network design. And on top of this, you'll be able to choose many elective units from a wide range to complement your major or expand your knowledge in certain areas. The Faculty of IT at Monash is the home to world-leading researchers in cybersecurity. And these researchers work at the cutting edge of this field, and they incorporate this knowledge and expertise into the course teaching content to expose students not only to today's state-of-the-art techniques, but also the emerging technology of the future. You'll also be able to augment your formal coursework with some extra learning and networking by taking part in activities that are organized by our student clubs, such as the Monash Student Cybersecurity Club, or MONSEC. So quality IT security professionals are needed to design, implement, and test all these techniques. Now, in the full-year industry experience project, you will also be part of a team that develops an IT application for a real client. And here you'll enhance all your technical skills through assessing the client's network and security requirements, and then designing and delivering a working system that meets these needs. But you'll also build your so-called soft skills in teamwork, project management, and communication. And if you are accepted for our industry-based learning program, you will gain experience working in the real world as a computer security expert or similar role, depending on your specific skills and interests. As a graduate with this major, you can look forward to a career in cybersecurity or systems and network design and administration. In today's uncertain circumstances, it is especially difficult to tell which areas are worth studying. But one trend does seem likely to continue, and that is that our lives are moving more and more towards online transaction. And as this happens, the risk due to cybersecurity threats is also growing. And we need to make sure that it's safe to work and live online. Now, this ever-present need appears likely to increase future demand for skilled professionals in IT security.